Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Yellow color, neon color, green color, pink color, blue color. Let's start. Pink color, pink color. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. Blue color. G for goat. G for goat. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lemon. L for lemon. Purple color. So kids, now we write down some numbers. 1. Number 1. O-N-E 1. 2. Number 2. T-W-O 2. 3. Number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 4. Number 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. Number 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. Number 6. S-I-X 6. Yellow color. 7. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 8. Number 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. Number 9. N-I-N-E 9. 10. Number 10. T-E-N 10. 11. Number 11. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12. Number 12. T-W-E-L-V-E 12. So kids, what we learn today? We learn pink color, purple color, blue color and yellow color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.